Hello, hello. I've got something different for review. Um, it's not really an unboxing. I did come in a box, and it came with padded air pillows. Not sure why, but whatever. It was a nice touch. I mean, this is just a blanket. Not sure it really needed all that. Now, this just arrived a few minutes ago, and it's still sealed. It is the Marine Moon flannel blanket for bed. Super soft and warm, fuzzy plush throw couch blanket, anti-piling, twin brown. It's $19.99 on Amazon. You can also get it in blue, I believe, as well. It's blue or black? Blue, yep. It's 100% microfiber polyester fabric. Now, it was 26 degrees outside, this morning. So, that just kind of works for me. I like blankets. I like to be warm. Let's check this one out here. And when I saw it, thought it looked really neat. It looked like fur. As you can see, it's wrapped twice, which is good. Really protected. Oh, wow. Yeah, it is soft and fuzzy. Now, it just arrived. Obviously, now I'm going to have to, I will wash this before I use it, but wow, yeah, it's really soft. Both sides, as you can see here. This will be the inside here because this is the seam, so this will be, your inside. But yeah, look at that. Oh wow. No, well, I guess you can't feel it, but it's very soft here. Care on this, it's 100% polyester, machine wash cold separately, gentle cycle, non-chlorine bleach, tumble dry, low heat, do not iron, do not fry clean. I guess that's supposed to be dry clean, not fry clean, but yeah, that works. Yeah. I can't wait to test it out. I know I'm going to be using it tonight, actually, because I'm in the middle of doing my laundry, so I'm going to throw this in, and wow, it's really soft. Seems nice quality made. The size is 66 by 90, which I think will be perfect for me. I mean, I'm 6 foot. Finding blankets for me is kind of hard, actually, because all of it, I like to pull them up over my shoulders and all that, but then I like to have them tucked underneath my feet as well. So a nice big blanket I really like here. This is no shedding or piling. 360 GSM down that defeats all other poor blankets with a low down density. Okay. 100% guarantee, unsatisfied, return in 60 days. They increase the thickness for a fuzzy blanket and more fluff and warmth. Two-sided brushed premium microfiber polyester fabric. Excellent durability, long-lasting comfort. Now, to me, flannel would be like, like a flannel shirt, but oh well. They say this is flannel, but I guess it works. And it is very soft. Well, I mean, that's it. Not much else to it. Thanks.